Hi guys, so today in this video we will see how to render our components through an API. And what we will do, we will just render our Fakestore API component, and we will try to use the Fakestore API. So let's get started. So what I will do, I will just create up our React app through Vite. So it will not take more than a minute. So Vite is an easier method in comparison to npx create react app, the traditional way. So I will just paste on this command. This is the command to create our Vite project. It is asking me the name, so I will name it Fakestore and then React and then JavaScript. Then I will install the node modules. So you can yourself see that it is taking a lesser time than the traditional npm create react app method used to take. Okay, so our app is created. Now I will run the command npm run dev. So here the command is npm run dev, and in traditional methods the command is npm start. So our react app has started. So what I will do, we don't need these things anymore, so I will remove them, and I will remove these also. We don't need them anymore. Okay, we have to remove the css also. So what I will do, I will import use effect hooks from react, and axios from axios. We have to install that also. So open up the terminal and select on git bash and type in the command npm install axios. So what I will do, I will define up the use effect hooks here. It also takes a dependency array, but right now we are not using that. We are just creating up a basic stuff. So we have to use the Fakestore API. So move on to the fakestoreapi.com and select up this API from here. So use effect does not allow us to write async like this, so we have to return them as well. So I have done this part. We will console log the response that we are getting. and what I will do, I will take up this response in our state variable. So let's name this set state and state. So let's check if the response is coming or not. So open up your console. So here is the response that we are getting. So you can see 20. So you can see 20 objects are coming. So let's head back to our app, and what I will do, I will use up the map method to render our app. So I am assuming that you guys know about the map method. So we have to type up the name. So let's print the ID first, element.id. So let's see if that is rendered or not. So you can see that our IDs are being rendered. So let's print the title as well, and let's print the name as well. Ignore up this error, it's of no use as of now. So we have rendered the title and our name. Now the image part. So we have to render our image in the image component, sorry, image tag. So you can see our images are also being rendered. So let's fix up the CSS part quickly. I'm just creating up a basic layout for the Fakestore API. So you can see that our images are looking fine. Now so let's render up the button as well. So you can see whatever data is there in our API, so all of that is rendered in our app. Okay, so in the next video, so what I will do, I will just create up an e-commerce website also. So there we will have all those functionalities like, so there we will have all those functionalities like add to cart and how to add up the components from our home page to our cart component through use context hooks. So stay tuned for that playlist and keep learning. So I have just created up a basic layout. So this is the basic layout. You can use any type of API you want. I have used Fakestore API. You can use any different API. So we will try to build up an app through different APIs also. We will create up a weather app also. So it's so easy to create up a basic layout through React. So let me walk you over what we have done in this video. So we had created up a basic component through Vite, basic app through Vite, and we have imported useState, useEffect, and Axios. So you can use fetch method also, but we have used Axios in this. So what I have done, I have used up the useEffect hooks. So here this API creates up a promise, returns a promise. So we have used async and await. Okay, so I have console logged that as well, and there I have rendered our response in our state variable, and through map method I have rendered our API data in our app. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you like this video, then please like it and subscribe to this channel.